yote nikapeleka document, sijaipata hiyo maripo.
Jatend Migago mar wuoth kod apeini Kipchumba Murkomen kod jogoro e Migago no ochopo e mbele komiti mar Senate manono dongruok e sekta mar wuoth kawuono. Murkomen oduoko penjo e wi orak mar gedo mar ndacha gach okolo mong'ere kaka SGR apaya ma Nairobi Expressway kachiel koda weche maluoro duol mochung'ne dho wedhe. We winjane gino matimore e Senate gisani.
That we need a conversation. Lastly, on KQ, yes, it is true. It's a private entity, but a serious and strategic investment in this country. There's one thing that we have gotten right with KQ. The recent signing of a code share with, was it Astral? Yes. The cargo unit. Astral, yes. Now, the two things that have brought the biggest problems to KQ, and I don't know whether you'll be able to deal with, the MOU with the Royal Dutch Airlines. Something that does not make sense to anyone in the aviation industry. The still continues to bog down Kenya Airways. And secondly, the decision that we took that left everybody wondering whether, really, I don't know, the selling of our landing slots at Heathrow to Oman Airlines. The reversal of those decisions could actually be the beginning of the recovery for KQ, but as a ministry, then that would be something that personally I'd be looking into to see what it is that you're doing to bring this thing back to profitability. I thank you.
Senator Chute, we are just, if you have...
No, I'm okay, thank you.
All right. Senator Sige.
Thank you, Chair. Through the Chair, I just wanted to, in my final remarks, then make a couple of points from a shortened version of what I wanted to present. Through the Chair.
Okay, how long do you think you can take? We can request probably the CS because it's important. How many minutes?
What I'll do is to, because in any case, even I'm here or I'm not, this is for posterity and for the record.
Yeah.
Allow me to leave the PSS to listen from there. There is no issue. All agencies involved are here. Okay. Then they will take it into consideration.
Maybe it will take 3 minutes so that we can invite you for lunch.
The army the senator is working with is an indication that there is a bigger paper.
Okay.
Unless she says it's 2 minutes. Which
I think we're well advised. It's so that we don't rush you.
Yeah.
Senator Sige, since all the PSs will be here and the whole team, then we can give you that opportunity to present so we can release the CS.
Let me just respond to Senator, before I leave, Senator Kior. There is a complete completion of roads vis-a-vis construction new. I have absolutely no problem if we can complete the remaining 3,500 kilometers in the next 5 years, and that becomes the only thing I do in the road sector. I believe government is a going concern, yeah? And as a going concern, even the things I will initiate today, as I said, things like Railway City, without leave myself, the PS, Mainga here, the MD, in 20, 30 years, we will not be in those offices, but it must continue, running. The thing is, and you all know that these are roads we started, and I was there, though in Parliament, but in the government when it started in 2013, and it was an ambitious project to reach 10,000 roads. So the president now, who was the deputy president then, and myself, who was in the Senate then, in the same political formation with the outgoing president, should be happy to make sure that we complete these roads. And I'll be proud to say that the work we initiated in 2013, I got the benefit and opportunity to complete them. Can we construct new roads? No. Until we complete these ones, we cannot construct new roads. Unless, there's a caveat to that, unless those roads have been done with the support of development partners, giving us other resources over and above what we needed to work on completing the existing roads. I agree with you. All the other comments related to the road here in the Mombasa Road, we are going to look into the beautification, and I think you have a point that they must continue doing their part of the job in the beautification of that road below. The challenge is these are the other things we are going to see what we do to make sure that we achieve. And your ideas on KLM and KQ are very much welcomed, Honorable Senator. The only rider I will put is that opportunity is coming soon. Once we are done with the cabinet paper, Parliament and the entire country will also give their suggestions. And what you said here goes into also informing the decisions we are going to take.
Nyakora Ramogi Jong maneloso kanyo mano jaten Migago mar wuoth e pacho kae mano Kipchumba Murkomen kabende en nyim kamiti mochung'ne wechego mag wuoth mano kamiti mar Senate mochung'ne wechego mag wuoth. Chenro makamano pod waluonu machiegni kendo wabiro medo keloni weche makamago kuku kaachiel kod tiendgi e weche manyien.